Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing 2 slides that will act as the before and after. Duplicate the starting slide so both share the same background and content. This preserves formatting. Then, make sure key shapes and text boxes have consistent names. PowerPoint matches objects by name to animate them. Finally, move or resize objects on the second slide to their target positions. This sets the visual change the morph will animate. Once done, you're ready to apply the transition. You now apply the morph transition to the destination slide. Select the second slide and choose Transitions, then Morph. This tells PowerPoint to interpolate changes between the 2 slides. Adjust duration to control speed and pick effect options. Objects moves shapes, words animates text, characters animates letters, so you get the intended result. Preview the transition repeatedly and tweak positions or timing until motion feels natural. Make sure to test with slideshow to see exact pacing and alignment. To finalize, run the presentation and watch the morph across several slides to confirm smooth transitions. If objects snap or disappear, check names. PowerPoint matches by object name, so rename duplicates consistently and ungroup complex shapes if needed. If timing feels off, tweak duration or split motion across additional intermediate slides. As a troubleshooting tip, if morph still misbehaves, recreate the object as a simple shape or use a motion path or fade as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.